Thanksgiving parade 2 years ago.
Yeah, it's true. So what? I seen what I seen.
And is it true you were drinking yesterday outside Macy's?
It's Christmas. It's just having a little Christmas cheer.
Yeah, that's what my no-good brother used to say.
Judge?
Now, no, you can't proceed. Would the attorney for the defense like
Try, who are you?
Who are you?
Order in the court.
Where are you? Who are you?
Nobody other than my baby. My brother Billy almost got my son sent to prison because of his drunken ways.
Oh no, not that old story again. We've all heard it 1,000 times. Won't you go home, Ma Bailey? Won't you go home?
Stop that trick. It's